to take another look at some pictures in Jack and the Beanstalk. When you're looking at these pictures, I want you to think in your brain what questions you have. Are you wondering anything? What's going on in the picture? I want you to think of a question you could ask for this front page of the book. I'll give you an example first. I wonder why he's looking up at the beanstalk. Or what if the beanstalk goes all the way up to the sky? Those are two questions you might be wondering when you're looking at this page. On the next few pages, you are going to come up with questions and either type them or talk into the recorder and tell me your questions. So we're looking here. We see a cow. There's a few characters here. Uh-oh, looks like something's going on this page. I want you to stop and think about a question you could ask on this page. Are you wondering anything? What is going on this page? Think of a question and use the sentence stems on the next page.